So today Shanty going and do a cholha pilau straight from the cholha. So I'm going to show you how Shanty making she pilau, right? So this is my pot going up here. Nice cholha pilau, right? So that is my pot. And this is my oil I adding in here. Right? So you cannot put too much oil because it's going to use coconut in it too. So this is my sugar going in here for my pilau. So this going and raise here now. Right, coming in there, see how it raising. So this is how Shanty just make she cholha pilau. Look at it. Anybody love this fireside pilau? Or you could call Shanty to get this. Look at nice. So that's how the sugar have to raise just like the stove. Look at it. So this is my chicken going in here. Wonderful. And just real heat. So I'm going to fry up there. I'm going to wash my rice now. A nice wonderful rice. Look at it. So that is 2.5 cups of rice going into that pot there, right? So Shanty have to well wash the rice. I like to wash my rice clean to make sure I get a nice food to eat. So this going into the pot here. This is some nice peas. I have here some nice fresh peas going into my pilau. Alright, so this is a fireside pilau. So this is it. This is how it is. This is not no stove pilau. Wonderful, nice pilau is from the cholha. We had some fresh peas in there. So I'm going to add in the peas and carrots now. Some people just use it after, but I like to cook it together because this cholha, this cook this food real fast, right? Real fast. So just now when I add any water in this, I'll show you. Watch the fire, how beautiful it's lighting and how nice and beautiful this is. Look at it. So nice it's frying up. So this is my average of my salt going in here for my nice wonderful pilau. So after I put that there, I'm not tasting that for nothing again. Till it's done cook. Look at it. How wonderful, right? Now it's thickened, so Shanty going to add the water here now. 1 bowl of water, like to finish cook this. So when this finished now, I will steam it back with some coconut, fresh homemade coconut milk. I'll show you that in a little bit. Right, this is my blender here. This is my fresh home coconut. I'm putting it into the blender here. Right? Added my water. Right, so this wonderful home coconut going into here. Right. This is from a nice pilau I'm making here. Nice, strictly home. Right, so you'll see this there. Right, so I'm going to check the pot here now and make sure we're ready for the coconut milk. Wow, look at that. See? See how it's thickened already? It's ready for his milk. Right. I don't know if I'll check in how many minutes and how fast this pilau take to finish, right? So this is my nice home coconut from the tray straight into the pot. Look at it. So this is going to cover up here now. And Shanty is turning this pot now until it's finished. That is how I just make pilau, right? So I doesn't late. Go and study, keep turning it now. So I'm going to cover this here now So this is going to steam on itself there now. So we're going to check. We beautiful pilau we making on the cholha now. So Shant going to check chick pilau. Look at that. What I tell her, as I say, I do not turn my pot until it's finished. Look at this. See? So this is Shanty, real nice cholha pilau. Look at that. So this is the finish line and we pilau. So we're going to leave it in this pot so it will remain hot for when we're ready to eat.